Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install an AC delete belt kit type thing on any 3rd gen Cummins. So if you can see, I still have my compressor down there, and I don't have any AC components. I'll go take the compressor off right now and show you what else you need to do, because your tensioner does not go in your factory AC mounting place. You have to move it over, and I'll show you exactly how to do that just here after I get my AC system taken apart. So if you have your AC system already taken apart, I did that in another video, and you just need to take your compressor off. It's just 4 bolts down here. Make sure you have your belt off already. 4 bolts you can get from up top, and 2 bolts up top, and 2 bolts you probably should go from the bottom to disassemble. But yeah, this needs to go. Alright, so now that I got the AC compressor out and out of the way, I'm ready to install my tensioner. So from the factory, bolts up right here, and the non-AC trucks would go right here. And I'll show you a diagram of how this is supposed to look in a second, how the belt routing is supposed to look in a second, but it makes sense that this needs to be moved over, because you'll have too much belt left over when you go to install it on the other mounting point. So I found it weird that this pulley has no ribs, but they want you to run the rib part on this pulley, because I couldn't find any other way for this to work. I even tried putting it back onto the other position on the for the tensioner, but this seems like the only possible way to route it from this alternator pulley down to this tensioner pulley back down to the crank, that you have to loop it on the outside of the pulley. even though it's a smooth pulley. But let's fire it up and see. So yeah, it looks like it stayed on pretty good. Yeah, I think that's how it's supposed to be ran. We'll find out in the future if that rib part being on that smooth part is an issue, but yeah, I apologize for my truck running rough. And I guess that's how you do it. You gotta move your tensioner over one space and then route the belt around on the outside right here. So outside, and then back to the water pump, back to the idler, back to the power steering pulley, then back around the fan belt, or the fan tensioner, I mean the fan pulley, and then back to the crank. So yeah, and then here's the part number again for the green belt. So yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. I don't know where my oil cap went, but I guess I'll figure that out.